Hello everyone, welcome to Full On Entertainment. Today we'll solve this question. So let us see what we have been given. So this is a system of equations with three variables x, y, and z. And when we are given these type of questions, we have to see how we can associate these terms with each other so that we can find some kind of a formula or identity. So here we have to find the value of xyz, and we have been given that x plus y plus z is 3, x square plus y square plus z square is 45, and x cube plus y cube plus z cube is 69. So now we'll see how we can relate these terms. It can be the cube term to the basis, or the square term to the base terms. So we know that a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c multiplied by a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So this is an identity we are already familiar with, and we have to use this to relate this term with this one. So for our case we have x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals x plus y plus z multiplied by x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz and minus zx. Okay. So now we know this value, we know this value, it is 69, it is 3. We know this value also, the sum of the squares. We don't know these values, and we have to find this one. So to get this value, we can use an algebraic identity that tells us the relation between the squares and the base terms. So we know that x plus y plus z whole square equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Now we know this term because we know xyz, and we can square it to get this value. We also know the sum of the squares 45, so we can get these terms. Okay, so this becomes 9 equal to, this is 45 plus, and this is 2 multiplied by xy plus yz plus zx. So after evaluating this becomes xy plus yz plus x equals 45 minus 9 by 2 equal to 36 by 2 equal to 80. So we got this value, xy plus yz plus zx equals 80. This will be actually minus 18 because we have to take this to the right hand side. So it will be minus 45 plus 9, which is minus 36. It is minus 18. Okay. So xy plus yz plus zx is minus 18. Now let's write this one. Now if we go back to this equation, we know this term, and we know this term. Now we also know this term after uh, solving this relation. We know this term, so now we can evaluate x, y, z. So let us plug in the values there. So we have x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal minus 3xyz equals to x plus y plus z multiplied by x square plus y square plus z square minus of xy plus yz plus zx. Okay, so you can write it like this by taking the negative term common. Now we plug in the values. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube, this is 69 minus 3xyz equals x plus y plus z is 3 multiplied by this x square plus y square plus z square is 45 minus this is minus 18 that we have found, so it will be minus of minus 18. Okay, so this is the equation. Now we have 69 minus 3xyz equals, this will be simplified to 45 plus 18, so this will be 63. So 3 multiplied by 63, which is 189. Now we take this term here, so 3xyz becomes 69 minus 189, which is negative of 120. Okay. Now we have 3xyz, so we just divide both sides by 3 to get xyz equals to minus 120 by 3 equals minus 40. So this is our answer. So we can write that the solution of this equation is xyz is minus 40. Okay. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and subscribe the channel for more such detailed explanations, and look out for upcoming videos. Thank you very much.